on YouTube, 65 Rider here. So today we're actually at the Beach Harley Davidson, and we're here for a demo ride on all the 22 lineup.
Turn the ignition off on that one. There you go. There you go.
Alright, so I'm taking the new 2022 Road Glide S with the 117 engine and the Gunship metal. Freaking love this thing. There's that Lowrider S with the Gunship too. I'm gonna try all of them. Alright. So already sitting here, it feels like this is the stock seat. Feels like I'm a little bit on top of the bike, honestly. I wish I can get these
You're gonna have to wait a ride or get on a different bike because I don't want you to get hurt. What's wrong with it? No rear brake.
Huh, nice.
Yeah.
Harley for you, brother.
Yeah, get on another one.
Harley for you.
Get on the Fat Bob or the Lowrider. All right. So I wish the handlebars were a little higher because, you know, that's what I'm used to.
Why is there a back and forth lever on this side?
There?
Yeah.
So it's a heel shifter, heel toe shifter.
Well, I don't gotta use that though, right?
You don't have to use it, you can just use the regular. So you do it, is it on right now? No. So the key's not around, it looks like.
There's no key here.
Oh, there we go. Now hit pull in the clutch and hit this button right here.
It's in neutral, I gotta pull in the clutch.
Oh yeah. There you go. Alright, here's Ben riding that Road Glide Limited. I'll be riding this with the Gunship metal and the 117. It's looking good. Alright, start off. Here's your controls. You got typical Harley controls, signals on the right and left. You got your lights up here, high beam, low beam. You got this to play around with your speedometer. You got the volume. You got your cruise control on this thing. Press them. Press them one more time. Yeah, so it's, I think Ben's first time on a Harley. He's not super impressed, but it's fine. I think he'll like it. I love this. Even though like it's huge, I'll definitely get a more comfortable seat. I don't love this seat so much. Every time I ride a Road Glide, it's weird, dude. I feel like I'm riding like like a big ass boat somehow. I don't know, something feels off about it, but I love it, you know. Especially like being a bike that's this heavy. Yeah, look at Ben. Ben is struggling. Yeah, let's do this. Whoa. Yeah, this is quick. This is quick, you guys. I can already tell that I like this thing. Oh yeah, and I just noticed in the mirror, I forgot to strap in my helmet. So that kind of sucks, but it's okay, we're not speeding. So it should be fine. Alright, so far, I mean, it feels really good. It feels, like I said, as if I'm driving a big ass ship. So yeah, I know in the last video that I had uploaded, I was going to do demo rides on some Indian bikes. The problem is when I got there, my camera died. And I made a rookie mistake and I didn't pack an extra battery with me, unfortunately. So here we go. We're doing it on Harleys this time, which kind of makes sense. This is my channel, it's more of a Harley based channel anyway. But yeah, so like compared to my Street Bob, I mean, it's kind of hard to compare this to the Street Bob because they're two completely different animals. What you think, bro? It's huge, huh?
That's probably better.
Yeah, Ben doesn't like it. But it's fine, you know, like Harleys are not for everybody. Some people are like die-hard Harley fans, some people aren't, you know, and that's okay. That is a-okay. That's why there's other motorcycle companies out there, you know, because it caters to people's different needs. I personally, I love Harleys, so I think this is really fun. I feel like this would be so comfortable in a long ride, kind of like the one that I did for Tail of the Dragon. But I really wish the handlebars were up here. I feel like ergonomically it would be completely different for me. Here's your entertainment system. You got the GPS on there.
Close to God and understand His will.
Dude, so smooth. So freaking smooth. Yeah, I think that one's a CBO Street Glide. I've never ridden a Street Glide, so I might actually take that out next. But yeah, man, so far, like, I feel really good on this. The fixed fairing is kind of awkward just because when you're turning, the fairing is kind of straight with the bike. So it feels a little off, but I mean, it's still cool because even though like there's no tall windshield on here, you know, I still feel like the wind is getting blocked. Like it's hitting me right up here, right at the top of my helmet, but it's not that bad. I mean, I was just going like 55 and it was not that bad whatsoever. Let's see how it handles on some turns. Not bad. I think you can lean this thing like pretty hard, but I'd be afraid to like scrape the pegs or something. I don't know, just because I'm not used to it. But dude, it's very like, you can like literally throw it all around. Even for a bike this heavy, you know. I think this one's 800 and something pounds. I'll definitely put all the specs right here in the description to let you guys know what's up. But yeah, before we move on with this ride, why don't you guys do me a favor and hit that like button down there, and if you like what you see and you want to see more of it, hit that subscribe button too. Well, now that you've done that, all right, let's get back to the ride. So this is, I can tell you, this is really comfy. Look at all these vultures, man. Ooh, it's a lot of them. Wow. Yeah, this bike is comfy. I can tell, like, if I take it on a long ride, I'd be all right. Yo, it's a landfill, so it smells like shit. And then you got the crash bar here where, like, I can probably put my legs on it. But then the problem is here you have the air filter that's kind of coming out, so it gets in the way. So I can't really do that. For me, because I'm 6'5", I feel like I need something to stretch my legs a bit. Because, you know, like if you can see down there, it's at an angle. And after a while I can tell that I could get a little uncomfortable. But that's why you get like some foot pegs out here, highway bar pegs. And you just put your legs on them. Try to find the music channel.
Behind my new single, Sunday.
See how loud this thing is. Definitely louder than my Kuryakin. It's pretty loud. And then you got some compartments here where you can, you know, like put the keys, you can put whatever, your phone, your wallet, and it seems pretty heavy, like it won't just pop open, you know. But yeah, I personally like would not like this setup, the way how my arms are. But I mean, like, you know, like most Harleys, you would get it, you know, you modify it to your liking. But it's very like type of bike where you can just like boom, throw it all around the place. I like it. Until it cut off at like second gear. Kinda, I guess, used to my street buff, but I can tell you, like, for how heavy this is pretty fast, man. It's pretty fast. And I'm going 65 right now. On my street buff, I'd kind of start to feel like the wind play around with my head and stuff, but with this one, dude, I feel nothing. That's perfect. Like, I can be here all day and I'd be okay. I wouldn't be exhausted from the wind. I like it. Like I said, the big things that I would change is figure out the foot position situation, basically. And two, I would figure out the handlebar situation, because that's pretty annoying. Or at least, like, I would reposition it to go up, just because, you know, like, I have longer arms. Ben is not impressed, even though that one looks pretty cool, man. Whoa, that's quick. You hear all that flapping on the helmet? That's my strap. But yeah, this is quick, bro. Look at me, I'm going 70 right now and I barely feel shit, man. I can feel the wind up here, but it's not like, my head is not bobbing all around. It's not buffeting, you know? I'm not getting any of that buffeting, and so that feels really good. I like that. I would totally buy it, but then I'd have to spend another like $4,000 or $5,000 to mod it some more, you know. Buyer approved. Actually, you know what I want to try? I want to try the cruise control because I've never actually tried it. Whoa, look at this, dude. Look at it. Cruise control for the fucking win, bro. It's so much better than that throttle lock that I have on my bike. I can literally just hang out like this all day, bro. Literally all day. Oh, I want to speed up a little? Boom. Let's speed up. Let's speed up some more? Boom. Let's speed up. You want to turn it off? At the clutch. And it's off. Alright, bro, that's so cool. This is a digital, let's see, okay. And then what if I hit the brake? Oh, and it turns off as soon as I touch the brake. That is cool. I need to get that for my bike so badly. Wow. The throttle lock, schmottle lock, bro. Screw that. Ain't no passing then. That's how you just turn it off. The cruise control, I mean. I like it though. I like it a lot. I do, I really do. This is a fun bike, man. It's big, it's comfortable, and it's very like you can literally like throw it around, you know? And I like that about it. Well, I want to say a special shout out to Palm Beach Harley Davidson for hosting this demo ride today and allowing us to ride all the bikes that, you know, all the Harleys that we want to ride. As always, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for sticking through it all if you did. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. That way you can get notified every time I post down a new video. And that way you can see more reviews, more rides, and more just moto vlogs in general. Look at that blue on the street, Bob. I like it. Alright, you guys. I will catch you all on the next ride. Peace.